Again, most spots purchased tonight. Getting this Leonard Fournette LSU jersey. Autographed, of course. Not just the Leonard Fournette LSU jersey. Cena with the Diamondbacks and Braves. Miller Time with the Orioles. Red Sox is Jared Sox. Shea Ledbetter with the Cubs. Devin Robbins with the White Sox. Notorious with the Reds. Indians El Cello with the Rockies. JPJ with the Tigers. HL with the Astros. Jericho with the Royals. HL with the Angels and Dodgers. Marlins is Jakey Jake with the Brewers and Marlins. Maddox Man Twins. Joe Hill with the Mets. Dr. Kale Yankees. Maddox Man Athletics. Dr. Kale Phillies. Babs Man with the Pirates. Padres Maddox Man. Giants Maddox Man. Wicker Cat Mariners. Dr. Kale Cardinals. Rays Maddox Man. Prokerly Rangers. Maddox Man with the Blue Jays. Nationals Burner and Jared Sox Team USA. Good luck, guys. There we go. Miller time. Trey Mancini auto right off the bat. Going to D. Miller. And a Contenders auto, Brian Reynolds for the Giants. Going to Maddox, man. Base out of 75, Nolan Williams for the Angels. Autograph, Nestor Cortez for the Yankees, going to Dr. Kale. And for Team US of A, out of 99, Joe Naranjo, Kyle Wright, Ethan Long, Ricky Tyler Thomas. Quad patch. Out of 200, Buddy Reed. Team USA, David Peterson, Contenders autograph for Jared Sox. And on-card auto, Ben Rortvedt for the Minnesota Twins. That is Maddox, man. And a dual patch of Cole Stowe, about a 149 for the Phillies, going to Dr. Kale. Out of 25, Dalton Jeffries for the Athletics. Vicky. 43 F50 autograph, Jace Vines for the Kansas City Royals. Jared Crow. And patch auto, 42 of 49 red, Carson Fulmer for the Chicago White Sox. Devin Robbins, nice. 99, Bryson Brigman for the Mariners. Thicky. Three-color patch. Manuel Margot and Mason Thompson for the Padres. 7 of 25. One's got camo patch, too. Padres is Maddox, man. On-card auto. 94 of 100. German Marquez. Rockies. Cello. Out of 200. Roddy Reed. Yes, we are. Currently mid-break. Tristan Casas, Contenders autograph for Team USA, going out to Jared Sox. And auto of Germain Marquez, again, 11 of 100 for the Rockies. Cello. And dual patch, Hoyjun Park for the Yankees, Dr. Kale. 75, Hunter Cole for the Giants. Lewis Whitley, 21 of 100 autograph for the Houston Astros, HL Sports Cards. And a patch auto of Brett Phillips, 14 of 99 for the Brewers. Brew Crew is Jake. Picking up Brett Phillips out of 200. Sean Anderson. Ticky. Wow. Logo patch on the left of the Red Sox. 4 of 10, Manuel Margot. 3-color patch and a 3-color patch. Sick patches. Padres is Maddox Man. Red Sox is Jared Sox. That's going to be random. On-card out of A.J. Puckett for the Kansas City Royals. Jared Crow. Out 99, Jake Rogers. Autograph, Nick Longy for the Boston Red Sox, going to Jared Sox. And on-card auto for the Brew Crew, 89 of 100, Braden Webb. That's Jake. 200, Stefan Crichton. Andrew Velasquez auto for the Tampa Bay Rays. No Cubs autos yet. Nope. Going to Maddox Man. Quad patch. Out of 199, Christian Cairo, Anthony Volpe, Jake Berger, and Dalton Guthrie. Jared Sox. Out of 200, Alex Kirilloff. Quad patches, 12 of 49, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. That is Dr. K. And a playoff ticket, 15 of 15 for the Pirates. Babs Man, Will Craig. Nice hit. Out of 200, Hoy-Jin Park. Brody Corner autograph for the Yankees, Dr. Kale. On-card auto, 67 of 100, Robert Tyler for the Rockies. Cello. Out of 25, Andrew Velasquez. Reggie Lawson auto for the Padres. Maddox Man again. Josh Rogers triple patch out of 299 for the Yankees. Dr. Kale. Cal Quantrill out of 49 for the Padres. Zach Birdie on card out, although the ink is a little broke down on that one. For the White Sox, Devin Robbins. 2 of 5, Anthony Greer auto on card. C-Man, 2 of 5. Wow. 75, Stefan Crichton. And we're going to end with a thickie, it looks like. Eric Stout autograph for the Kansas City Royals. A lot of Royals here. Going to Jericho. And Hoy-Jun Park patch auto. First time I ever had him patch auto. 4 of 49 for the Yankees. Dr. Kale. Out 99, Eric Lauer. Ooh. Nick Longiaro for the Boston Red Sox, Jared Sox, and another patch auto. This guy I've never got. Now I got him twice. $15.99 Hoy John Park patch auto for the Yankees. Dr. K. Out of 200 a gallon, man. Jumbo patch, Alex Reyes out of 299 for the Cardinals. Dr. Kale on-card auto of Bobby Dalbec for the Red Sox. Jared Sox. Out of 75, Will Smith. Trey Mancini auto number 2 for Miller Time. And Jose Miranda on-card auto 13 of 50 for the Twins. Going to Maddox, man. And Dustin May. Forrest Whitley auto for the Houston Astros going out to HL Sports. And a quad patch. Alex Lang, Tanner Hook, Sammy Faltine, Zach Martinez out of 199 for Team USA. Jared Sox. Reynolds out of 200. Shane Baz auto contender. Jared Sox. Luis Urias on card out of 54.75 for the Padres. That is Maddox, man. And a triple patch of Nolan Martinez out of 299 for the New York Yankees. Doing very well. Out of 99, TJ Zeuch. Oh, we got a Kevin Maitan. It's the base, but still, we got one. Need some ink on it. Oh, I don't know if I've ever pulled this one. Anderson Espinoza on card auto. 98 of 100 for the Red Sox. I don't know if I've pulled that one ever. Jared Sox. Maybe way back when, but. On card auto, TJ Zeuch for the Blue Jays. Max, man. Out of 99, Connor Jones. Dicky. Chai Hu autograph for the Tampa Bay Rays. Maddox, man. 9 of 49. Red patch auto of Matt Chapman. Oakland Athletics. That goes to Maddox, man. Out of 200, Drew Smith. Uh-oh. 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 Holy shit! 1 of 1, Alex Bregman. Dual button, majestic tag, and a logo patch. Going to HL Sports Cards. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Drop the mic. On card auto 92 of 100, Bryson Brigman. For the Seattle Mariners, Wicker Cat. 25, Matt Strom, tie-dye. That thing is going to be worth a lot. Hopefully that boosts HL spirits. Made his night. Hopefully I made his night. Jimmy Herget, auto for the Reds. Notorious. And on card out of Robert Tyler for the Rockies, going out to Cello. Out of 200, Kyle Lewis. I don't think I'm going to be able to beat that in any circumstance. Dewell Lugo auto for the Arizona Diamondbacks, going to C-Man, and a quad patch for the Giants of Blackburn out of 99. Going out to Maddox Man as well. Out of 99, Alex Spies. Wow. Congrats, HL. Let me go get a one-touch for it. Boom. Just insane. Buttons fit. We do have to random this nice one too. Out of 10. Margot, Red Sox, Padres. There might have been Cubs base that I missed. I don't really go into the base, but there was no Cubs autos or patches, no. You'd be looking for Eloy. Alright guys, good luck to the Red Sox as well as the Padres in this. Duel out of 10. Sweet patches. We do not accept a 2 or a 3. Anything higher we will take. Make sure I'm over yet. Okay. We got a 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the Padres. I think that's Maddox Man. You've been on a tear, my friend. Go to Maddox Man. Congrats on that one, Maddox Man.